Hello guys, and once again welcome back to this channel. This is Taha from blogofdigest.com. In this video I'm going to talk about Wishpond, which is an automation platform, and I'm going to do a detailed review on it. So let's get started. Okay, so what is Wishpond? Wishpond is marketing automation platform that makes it easy and affordable to nurture your website visitors and leads into sales. They enable you to automatically score and segment leads into list based on activity and personal details, send personalized emails based on behavior, and much more. Wishpond is best for if you're focused on business owners of small and medium-sized industry, as well as marketing agencies who want to offer an afford marketing automation platform to their clients. So Wishpond is good for them too. Also, no coding is required for the marketing tools that you will design and that will help you to scale your business. Wishpond is backed by, you can see, the brands like UNICEF, Sony, CBS, Walmart. So it really helps us to know like it is really reliable and doing so much for us. The 4 marketing tools which we get in Wishpond are landing pages, pop-up and forms. You even get contest and promos which will run sweepstakes, photo contest, Instagram promotion, and that will help you build more followers for you. And you even have marketing automation through which you will build blogs and send marketing automation emails or SMS to your clients or customers. In this way, you can see also you can connect Wishpond with 30 plus marketing platforms you already love. You can see we have MailChimp over here, you have Zapier, and you have Salesforce, and this kind of stuff you have over here. Now, moving to the pricing section, you can see Wishpond has 3 different types of categories. First one is starting out. The most popular is everything you need, and the third one is rapid growth. If you are starting out with this plan, you will be having a landing pages of unlimited quantity. You will have social contest, you will have pop-ups, you will have email drip campaigns, you will have email automation, and you will have maximum leads up to 1,000. And the pricing for this is just $49 per month, and which I don't think will get you bankrupt. So you can go with this, or either you have this plan as well, which is in this you will get all the features mentioned here, as well as you will also get A/B testing, which is really working these days. Also, you will have custom CSS and JavaScript enabled. You will have API access and maximum of 2,500 leads available in this. And if your business requirements are more than this, you can really check the rapid growth plan, and in this you will be having everything you need. The features will be enlisted inside, and the value is, you can see, $199 per month. So you can really go with this too and contact the customer care for further support. So now quickly I'll show you the dashboard. Okay, so once we are on to the dashboard of Wishpond, you can see we have a create a new campaign option available over here. You can really click on view more to have a look at everything what create new campaign has for us. Moving down, you can see you have a hierarchy maintained over here. Once you create a new campaign, a campaign will be listed in here, and you'll be having every minute details on it. If you have created a welcome email for your business, for example, you can see you will have the number of emails sent over here. You will have a percentage of how many people opened it, how many people just went through it, how many leads have you made through it, and you can even click on here and edit, duplicate, delete, and either move to folder as well. Now I'll just show you quickly what you can do is we can really click here on view more and have a wider view on what the things we have. So once we are here, you can see we have blogger campaigns available over here. You can see this is what it will look like. You have several different options available on this, and moving down, you even have general lead capture campaigns which will help you create a landing page. You can create one from here as well. You will have a pop-up bar as well. You can even have this kind of opt-in bar. You can even make a welcome mat to present your website with a welcome thing. You can even have a call to action button which will generate numerous leads for you. You can even have a form section which your user can fill, and you can generate again the leads from this. You can even have slide-in pop-ups which will really slide into your landing page or website and give a effective range of things for you. You even have general mail campaigns which will help you through email automation, and will have a email newsletter as well. Moving down forward, you can even have general contest and promotion as well. You can see you can either have a leaderboard contest or sweepstakes or photo contest. You can really arrange an contest which will help you build a bigger public for your website or your account, and this will really lead to the generation of leads. Now I'll quickly show you how you can build one of these and how you can modify the things in it. So once clicking on to create, they will be prompting you to ask a name for your campaign. So if I'm having some sort of a fitness client, so I'll give it as a name of fitness client. Okay, and I'll make it done. So once we are onto this, if you want to customize this logo, you can just click here and you can go to change and upload a file from your computer and make changes over here. If you want to edit a text, you can really have a triple click. This will help you modify your text whatever way you want. So you can see the changes are being made over here. Also, you have an option of email over here which will help you generate a lead for you. Once someone come here and put their email and click on enter now, this will create a lead for you, and I'll even show you a section of leads where all of these emails are collected, and you will really happy to see all those results. And once you have all those emails over there, you can really send an email to them regarding whatever campaign you're running about. Well, if you want to make changes to this, you just need to have a double tap on it and you have this kind of thing over here. You can really make a default entry in this and click on enable default entry, and you can really put whatever text you want there. If I need to write please subscribe here, and you can see I have changed this. So it is really simple and easy to really make changes over here. If you want to add something new, you just need to click here and you have several dozen of section available over here. You can really add text, image, button, buy button, box, line, icon, and everything pretty like that. You just need to drag and drop things over here from here to there, and this will really have that content on your screen. And you also have bonus action which will help you to display your social profile on this page. If you're a YouTuber and if you want to really put a YouTube on it, so you can just put the YouTube symbol and share your YouTube channel link over here, and this will be integrated with it. So in this way you can create one. In this settings you can see you can even have SEO settings. You just need to put a title and a description to mention those things. You even have conversion tracking and analysis option over here. You can really check it. You can change page background from this option. Well, going to the page background, you can just click here and delete it and customize it your way. You even have a mobile or tablet view as well, how it will look, and if you want to disable this, you can really come here and disable it as well. So next we have also A/B testing. You can really preview it as well. We just clicked on preview and see it will look like this. It is really not a rocket science to build this kind of stuff. It is really easy, and we'll again move back to our home page. Okay, so once again we are back on dashboard, and you can see you can have your campaign status over here. You can look at the views, comments, and conversion rate over here. You even have a graphical status of your campaigns over here, which will show you how long you're going, or how fall are you going short on all of those things. You can really customize it from here, and from here give them a particular date range, which will help you to get the status from to help you get the status within a particular timeline. Also, you have conversion and conversion rate as well, so you can really check on these things. You even have activity report, which we are right now into. You can even build a new pop-up, so I'll quickly show you how you can click on pop-up and build a template pop-up from here. So they have different templates available over here. You can really click on any of them and really preview, or really choose to build one. So I'll choose this, and again if I choose this, it will prompt me back to the same page where we built our first campaign of fitness client. And in this way you can customize this as well, so I'll be not showing you this. In this way you can create a pop-up, and it will be displayed over here again. You can even build a welcome email through this. So you just need to click on this, and this will take you to the blocks type system, which will have some sort of conditions and create a automation based on this. So you can see here you can add lead to the email automation when they meet the following conditions, whatever we apply. Example, if there is a X person in the list, and if he or she subscribes to my lead page website and click on sign me up for this, so an email will be sent to them. So you can really customize this down here on the action. This will be very helpful for you. You can really choose a landing page from this option, which landing page you are talking about. So I recently built a landing page, and you can click on view and edit over here, and you can see like I have not linked my email to this. You can do it, and once you verify your email, so through this campaign you can send email to your different leads, and you can even create a A/B list as well. You have different sort of actions available over here. You can add a delay, you can add or remove from list, you can set a lead property. So if we click on add a delay, if someone clicks on the link, so what we'll do is, after sort of delay of 1 day and 1 hour, I want an email to be sent to my lead, so I'll choose it over here. In this way you can create a really awesome automation through this platform, and this is not sort of available on each of the platform online, so you can get this in Wishpond as well. So you can even have a leads section over here. Once we click on leads, you can see right now I don't have any, because I don't have any campaign active right now. You can either add leads manually, or once you run your campaign, leads will be generated for sure, or you can either import leads from your file. So you can even import leads from integrated apps or non-integrated apps as well. So if you are working on, say, Salesforce or Stripe, so you can really import all of your leads from there. Or if you don't want to do this, you can really go to CSV file and create a CSV file from that platform and get it downloaded. And once you click here, you can really upload a CSV file, which will bring your each lead to this page, and this will help you sending email automation through the process. So you can even have an appointment tab available over here. What this appointment tab will build is which will help you with appointments, which will help you build your new customers easily. They can really go to your lead pages and book a time directly from your landing pages, and this all will be managed through Wishpond. And this Wishpond will connect it to your Google Calendar as well. Well, going to the integrations, I would like to tell you, like, you have some sort of different integrations available over here. You can connect with Segment, PySync, or Zapier, or you have different email marketing leads between your email marketing app, and you can connect it with Wishpond as well. So you can have this sort of third-party apps like ActiveCampaign, Emma, Mad Mini, and different CRM tools are also available. So you can really connect one of them and you can really import all the data from there to here. You can even connect your Shopify store. Shopify store is doing a really good nowadays. A lot of people are moving to Shopify, and this will help you to generate leads from Shopify as well. You can connect for payments, you can connect it with Stripe, and for survey you have SurveyMonkey and Alchemist as well. This was it for the apps and integration. Okay guys, so that was it for the Wishpond. That is really a cool automation tool, and once again I would like to say it is just one stop for all your statistical data on one place, and you don't need to worry about having different softwares talking to each other if something's not working. So inside here everything is just in one house, and you can make sure everything works from one place. Very cool. Apart from that, Wishpond, if you want to try it out, you can just check the link in description box below and start a free trial. And if you like this video, please consider subscribing to our channel. Please hit the like button and do share it with your friends as well. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one. Bye bye.